We've had some great feedback. The typical feedback we get is how awesome it is to switch the diesel engines off and start operating silently. It's almost more impressive that way round than leaving harbour silently and then turning them on. There's something about the silence that you get from the boat when it switches into its electric only mode. In fact, we've got a ferry coming up on our port side here, and it's I can hear the diesel engines from here. You know, it's that kind of noise reduction. We're operating silently right now. People are also really impressed by the control system, the AVX controls that are on this vessel, which could be on any vessel. It doesn't have to be a hybrid boat. The ability to hold position automatically, station keep, the virtual anchor mode that uses the least fuel to hold position without dropping an anchor, and the precision maneuvering that the system can offer around the dock and around other objects. All things that we've demonstrated to people, and they're consistently blown away by it.